Now we can't see Madam Flora. She come to her lawyer, come begin to tell am everything wey dey ground. Even though say na later wa, but the guy say okay, wetin come be the problem? Come tell am everything. The guy come tell am say, hey, the way things dey, una must to go to the police. In fact, go back to the site of the event. Go back to the crime site, the place where the thing happen. And then after that, una call the police. When I call the police, he go come say, hey, but they go. That means say you won't make him just turn himself. He say, yeah, he go turn himself in. Because if they go arrest him someplace else, they go take him like as if she commit crime. But if she go back to the place where the thing happen, come call them, say, hey, thing don't happen. No. Thing don't happen on this guy, na so. That everything go dey different. Say, he come tell her, say, look, hey, wetin go come do? They say, look, if he no do that, he no go fit protect her. He must to make sure say he go there because they go look am say na she dey look for revenge, so she must to protect herself. He go tell her say okay, you understand. He come begin dey beg am say, hey oga, anything wey una fit do to make sure say Angel no stay for jail, because if anything happen to am, he go blame himself say na him be the cause of all of this matter. The guy come tell her say don't worry, I go make sure say everything dey alright. That he go even prepare the thing wey they call a anticipatory bail. He could prepare anticipatory bail for them so that he no go stay behind bars. Make you no worry. God say, okay, hey, anything you wanna fit do, I beg, do am for this girl because I don't want make she day inside of jail. Guy can say, okay, no problem. Come begin they go to make sure say I go back to that place. Now so the sit down, they wait yo. As the sit down, they wait. Hey, now so Madam Angel don't know what go happen. Mr. Jeff, I be Mr. George, you don't know what go happen. Even say for Mr. Nelson too, they want to say, hey, all of us, you want our hand there inside this matter. Now so they can't hear knock, can't they want to say who be the person? They can't see say na Jeff. As Jeff enter, and so they can't grab his sister. Kai, the guy don't miss his sister. He don't miss his sister. Sister come tell her say, hey, see him, I don't want to go jail. I don't want to go jail. What you go do? He said, don't worry, I did your side. I don't come now. Jeff, don't come. No problem. Everything go do all right. We're not go jail. He tell us, say, sorry for putting all the family into all this matter because of one wrong choice in marriage. You see? The mistake wey she make to choose this man, now he cause all this problem when they come upon them. Can they tell them say he's sorry because don't worry, no sorry, everything go be all right. Even self Mr. Nelson come tell them say don't worry, no put all this matter on yourself, no blame yourself too much, everything go be okay. George come the one say okay, what they go come do now? He come say look, he won't tell him mama, he won't call him mama, but he come say no, may no call mama, or may no call mama, every call mama, how mama go take a handle this matter? He said look, may we wait, make him Madam Flora come. After Flora come, he go tell us everything we go do. Come tell us say hey, please, anything we not fit do to make sure say him mama dey alright oh, because the mama say if dey sick and for him body, no one make the mama go through any stress. He say no worry, mama dey okay. Everything go do alright, and I dey your side. As he come, they look, he come begin they cry, say, I don't want go jail, yo. I don't want go jail. Even Mr. Jeff come tell say, don't worry, everything go do alright. Now we can't dey the side of Oma and the mama. Now Oma they tell mama say, why we dey wait? Unnecessary waiting. This thing they torture me. Mama come tell her say, make you no worry. Jeff don't go outside, go find his sister. And he get trust. Say Jeff go find. Say look, this thing what they do, you know correct. Somebody must go outside, go look for Madam Angel. Somebody must go look for Angel. This one where they waiting, not dey okay. What if something bad happen to them? Because say, please, don't put any bad thing for inside of my mind. Maybe trust God, maybe pray, say everything go dey alright. He come tell her say, look, mama, we must to tell somebody about this. We must to get somebody else to go and look for Angel. He come tell her say, who now? He say, I go call Kelly. I say, come call Kelly. Kelly come show. As Kelly come show, come say, wow, not tell me all this while. All this while, not tell me say this thing happened to Angel. Why they do this thing? Because look, don't worry, I beg, me no get time to be talking like this. The main thing be say we must to find Angel. We must to find Angel. We must not allow anything happen to Angel. Because that's a mad man. If it go do something to Angel, he can say, don't worry. Hey, if mama come begin the beggar. Say, please, anything wanna do. Anything wanna do, Shan, don't get yourself into this problem. Just make sure say you wanna rescue his daughter. But making her not go put yourself for inside the problem in the beggar. I say, no, don't worry, mama. Everything go do okay. Now so you can begin the go. Hey, this na episode 49 of another worst mistake in marriage and the danger signs wey we dey ignore. Hey, we still dey this matter. We still dey this matter of Madam Angel. Hey, see as in dey tell Mr. George, say, abeg, I know say una scared. Me too sef I scared. Abeg, when people give this video a like, may we come begin dey look am well oh. See as in come begin dey tell George, say, look, may we go tell the police say that this thing don't happen. Maybe no run away. I no want run away. Hey, In fact, the man, Mr. Nelson, tell am say that is the truth wey we suppose do o. And I know say Mr. George dey very 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 scared. He no want to make Madam Angel go to jail. You understand say una love am, una wan hold am, una wan keep am to yourself, but anything wey bad na bad. We no wan make a police come begin dey treat am say na criminal. See o, as a Mr. Bolaji, him dey here dey think about him life. Everybody don beat am up. The people wey take am, kidnap am, dey beat am. Madam Mama don come give am im own share of the beating. No be only that, even Jeff sef don come give am blow, teach am lesson. He come dey reason say, hey, even Mama Kizito sef don leave am go. Hi, at this time, he must to do something to him own life. That at this point, he not suppose sit down here. He ain't supposed to go house, make it begin dey run, comot, make dem not come carry am again. Come begin dey give am extra punches. Na so he come carry him load, come begin dey talk to himself, dey borrow himself sense. He comot, carry himself, come comot. That is the best thing, because if una no comot, nobody go save you. That is the thing wey Mama Kizito tell am. See, Madam Flora, she dey on top of phone. It is Mr. Wetin call am? Mr. George call am say, hey, Madam Angel don do something bad. Him dey with me right now, and he don kill Kizito. That is the thing. He come say, how that one be? How that one happen? Abeg, telling me the thing wey happen. He come tell am say, look, no, calm down. She don't dey with me, and wait the thing they go like this, he go carry am comot from the country. He go say, wait, I dey come. Just send me the message. Make sure say nothing happen to Madam Angelo. Make sure nothing happen to them. I dey come there right now. The girl come dey wonder say, hey, this thing they go come use and tie am for him leg, yo. Because they go think say na him dey look for revenge. Na so he come drop phone, come begin to tell him say, I dey come now. As he drop phone, come begin to think in life, say, hey, this kind thing where this developing story wey happen like this, they no go do for am, because they go come tell am say na she send them to go and kill her. That is the thing where they happen. No, he come begin to put his hand for head, say, hey, what he go come do right now, because he don't know what he go do. Now he come begin to go. As he come begin to go, now so he and the Benita come meet. Benita come say, una dey here. He say, yes, so. He come begin to ask Benita, say, why una no come tell me, say this kind thing happen to Angel? Why una no come tell me? You come keep am to yourself. He come tell her, say, look, abeg, all this drama sef don tire me. This hospital, they don't say drama. All this drama, wey in fact, if it last them for 10 years. Say, na only Madam Angel go dey do wahala for me. Angel sef, na this one, Angel now, Angel this, Angel that, Angel. I don't tire. He come tell her, say, why you come begin to talk like this? I don't believe say una go talk like this kind rubbish apart from your mouth because of your friend. Why? He come tell her, say, look, abeg, we don't do everything wey we fit do for this Angel. She Angel sef, they stand up for herself. We go, they stand up, they come. Every time we go, they come. But right now, Angel sef will not stand up for herself. How now? The thing sef, the tire person. If the tire person, in fact, he himself don't tire. And he come tell her, say, why they talk like this, Benita? Now your friend need to talk about, say, look, I don't care. Leave me. I don't tire. I don't be human being. He come tell her, say, look, limit day wey person fit take for this kind life. He come tell her, say, look, abeg, leave me, make I just dey go my own. He come begin dey go, he come leave him, come begin dey go. Now so carry come wonder, say, say that Benita, wey we dey do this matter together. Now he come dey talk like this. So much of a friendship. You go think say person be friend. Now he don't tire, he no go fit stay to the end. Because they wonder, come begin dey go. Now Madam Flora don arrive with the thing what I must to do. He come tell them say, the lawyer friend tell them say, make they go back to the place where the matter happen, call the police. He come say, the police go arrest am. He say, yes, the police go arrest am. But that's not step one. Don't worry. Say, then don't go do wetin dem dey call anticipatory bail. So everything go do alright. She no go stay behind bars. That thing promise her. Everything could do okay. He come tell her, say, now Jeff come begin say, she you sure say him sister no go jail. Say, don't worry, everything could do alright. I promise you. Make it no worry. That's so even Angel come begin they say, hey, I don't want to do this thing. Come say, make it no worry. That na Flora tell them, and they go make sure say to follow the thing where Flora talk. And so they come begin they go out now. As they come begin they go out too. Now so you don't ascend the look up, Mr. What's in call him? Mr. Let's say, say, okay, at this point, may they come begin they go. He can say, okay, he go tell the mama. He go tell the mama. May he no be like say, he go to hear from the mouth of a police or from another person mouth. Make it hear them from me. When they hear them from me, I go at least tell them the way he go take understand. He say, she sure say the mama go fit to take it. He say, no worry, I go tell them the right way. Now so, Madam Flora can say, leave this night. Make mama rest. All this thing wey don happen don too much for this night. Make you leave am, make you tell am tomorrow. He say make you just so that she go fit handle am. You know this mama, she fit take that one, go cause another thing for her body. Na so even Angel come begin dey beg im brother say abeg, whatever una do, make sure say mama no sick. That is the main thing. Make she no begin dey focus on, her health is no dey very very strong. And so he come begin dey look and say, look, anything wey una wan make I do, I go do am. So he come tell her, okay, make they come begin dey go. He come tell George, say, look, anything wey you wan make I do, I go come. He said, don't worry, everybody dey here. We dey here for Angel. Make una no bother yourself. And so they come hug themselves. He come begin dey go. Hey, see as him be oh, see as him be oh. All this matter dey happen now on top of just one of this mistake one person make for instead of marriage. Instead to say Angel, they open eye well. You no go marry Kizito, but it don't happen now. It don't happen now. Make they come begin they go. And so they come see Madam Benita in the talk with him friend. Say he don't tire yourself. He don't tire. Say they talking. And so he come see Kade. As Kade come say okay. So wetin they go? He say they go find Angel. Where you want go find Angel? Una know where to find. Now so as they talk that one. Now so Mr. Jeff come run inside. Oh, he come run. Come begin the pants. He come begin the pants. They come say wetin happen. He say he don't find her. He say thank God. Thank God. Say everything dey okay. He say look when come there and I say he don't know. No. Because wetin dey worry you? And I say look, big thing don't happen. Big matter don't happen. Angel don't kill Kizito. Hi. And the police go arrest Angel. I said, talk to that one. I said, they look, they wonder. Now, so the mama come hear them. Mama come begin to scream. As mama scream, now so she come fall down, but that for floor. Yeah. See as everybody come begin to run. She come begin to run. Hey, see as Mr. Jeff come just open his mouth in jaka like that. Come begin to talking nonsense. The mama hear them. They come begin to wonder. Say, mama don't follow. Mama don't fall to the floor. Yeah. Make mama no go. Make mama no go. Make mama dey alive. I beg mama just drop prayer for this mama. Make everything dey okay. She don't receive too much for this particular night. Come follow her with falling down. Hey, God have mercy. So what's going to happen for episode 50 now? You go see say Angel go dey arrested. Now, two things if it happen. They fit get to the area where the crime dey done, and they go find out say Kizito never die. Say still dey breathe. That is the one. The number two, say maybe they get there safe na true. Maybe the guy don't go. Maybe he don't buy. We go come see say the police go come begin they carry him. They no go give him bail. That one go come worse pass. Hey, the thing go come get leg. What you go come do now? Go see him for episode 50. Me, I don't talk my own. If you think say the thing we are talking makes sense, I beg give this video a like now. And join the family by subscribing. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you for the next one. Bye. See as Madam Angel, they sit down. She don't know what she's going to do. She not face lie down. She not face sleep. But she just sit down there. They look as they receive a call, knocking for the door. That's so they come say, hey, now who be that? Who be that? I mean, now even the police, we don't find them out. Hey, now so they can't get up, come begin, they go close. Now so they can't see, say, now, Madam Flora. Hey, I think come close now, so he can't go to Ram, can't go there. Say, see you. I don't do it. How I go take a come out of myself from this matter? He come tell me, don't worry, everything go be all right. He said, look, just dry your tears. No evil will come upon you. Anything wanna do in self-defense. Everything go be all right. Make you no worry. Now so he come tell say, hey, she everything go do okay. Now I don't want make her lose the angel. Now so Mr. George can't tell her. Even Mr. Nelson they ask and say, hey, how we go come find this one now? Make God take control of everything. And so they come begin to look, say, hey, he know what he go do. He know what he go do. He must go tell him barrister, his lawyer friend. He go get his own, his own understanding about this matter because he don't know what he go do. He too they confused. Hi. So he come begin to cry again, say, he no want go jail. He no want go jail for killing Kizito. He come to say, no worry, no kill him. Now about time. He gets the punishment where he deserves. That is the point. He can't hold him again. Say, make no worry, I take your side. Now, because he say Mr. George, in the call on top of one. Who in the talk to? Hey, in the talk to Mr. Jeff. In call and contact and say, look, guy, your sister take my side. Because say, I take no. Because look, but a big problem, they ground do. Contact and say, waiting. He say, Kizito don't die. In they happy, say, yeah, maybe take celebrate. Say, Kizito. We don't see the end of Kizito. He come and say, calm down, guy. Now your sister do one more. He come and say, really? He say, yes, so. And she did on top of risk to go to jail. And so he come close mouth, say, im sister go jail. Hell, come tell am say where im dey. Im tell am say im dey somewhere when dem dey hide. Im go send the message make e no tell anybody. He say no worry, I no go tell anybody. Come tell am say I go send am by message. Na so he come tell am say okay, abeg send am fast fast. I come send am. He come begin dey look say hey, make e go tell im mama, abi make e no tell im mama. Hey, this kind thing wey dey come tell am say make e no tell anybody. Na problem o.